Welcome to our exploration of Windows 11 hidden features for 2025. You won't want to miss these upgrades. Say hello to the Enhanced AI Assistant. This feature is designed to optimize your productivity and adapt to your workflow. Check out the new virtual desktop improvements. Manage multiple workspaces seamlessly and customize your experience. Meet Snap Layouts 2.0. With advanced window management options, multitasking has never been easier. Dynamic widgets put personalized news, weather, and your favorite apps right at your fingertips. Explore the revamped File Explorer with innovative organizational tools that help you maintain a tidy workspace. Say goodbye to limited clipboard access. The upgraded clipboard history allows for seamless copying and pasting. Gamers rejoice. Game Mode 2025 comes with optimizations that enhance your gaming experience like never before. With enhanced security features, Windows 11 ensures your data is safer than ever. Discover the new layers of protection. Well, those are some hidden features of Windows 11 you might not know about for 2025. Explore and enjoy.